Welcome to Tarley Fuller 911, your ultimate destination for senior health and wealth insight. I'm Charlie Fuller, and I'm excited to have you here today. Now, on this channel, we explore the keys to staying healthy and financially secure as we age, from practical tips on managing healthcare costs to strategies for maximizing retirement savings. We cover it all. So join our community of savvy seniors as we navigate the path to a healthier, wealthier future together. And also check out my bio for my creds. And as always, please subscribe. Thank you.
Ever heard of the senior citizen who got pulled over by a cop? The cop asks, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" The senior replies, "I'm not sure, officer. Was I driving too slow?" The cop chuckles and says, "No, sir. You were driving just fine. I pulled you over because you forgot to get in your car." A little humor to kick things off. Now, we're shifting gears to focus on something that's no laughing matter: mobility, safety, and confidence on the road. Now, let's dive into our topic, and no, you don't have to get into your car for it. Driving symbolizes freedom and independence, but for some, it can be a daunting task. Imagine the vast open roads, the endless possibilities, the places you could go. However, the reality for some of our fellow road travelers, particularly seniors or those with mobility challenges, is a little different. Independence and mobility go hand in hand. The ability to move freely, to get up and go whenever and wherever you wish, is a fundamental part of personal freedom. But what happens when age, illness, or injury begin to affect this independence? Challenges such as physical weakness, decreased balance, or reduced flexibility can make driving a daunting task. It can feel like your own body is putting up roadblocks on your personal highway to freedom. But fear not. Every challenge has a solution, and we are here to explore those solutions. Just like a good mechanic has a toolbox, a good driver has a set of tools for the road. Let's talk about mobility aids and assistive devices. These are not just for the elderly or physically challenged. They're for anyone who wants to enhance their driving skills and experience. Items like swivel seat cushions and handy-bar car assists can make entering and exiting your vehicle a breeze. Steering wheel covers can give you a better grip, and pedal extenders can help with reach. It's all about finding what works best for you. Improving balance and stability is another tool in your driving toolbox. You might be thinking, what does balance have to do with driving? Well, it's more important than you may realize. A good sense of balance helps you to get in and out of your car safely, and it can aid in maintaining control of the vehicle, especially in unexpected situations. Here are some practical tips. Practice standing on one leg for a few seconds each day to strengthen your balance, or try walking heel to toe in a straight line. These simple exercises can make a big difference over time. Speaking of exercises, let's not forget about strength and flexibility. These are crucial for tasks like turning the steering wheel, pressing the pedals, and looking over your shoulder to check blind spots. Consider incorporating some gentle yoga or resistance band training into your routine. These can help increase your flexibility and strength, improving your overall driving ability. Remember, it's not about becoming a fitness guru. It's about enhancing your comfort, safety, and confidence on the road. And if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to a physical therapist or occupational therapist. They can provide tailored exercises and strategies that align with your needs and capabilities. Remember, the right tools can make a world of difference. Your journey towards independence on the road doesn't have to be a solitary one. There are resources and tools available to aid you every step of the way. So, let's keep cruising down that freedom highway, equipped with the right tools for a safe and confident drive. Let's talk about technology, our silent partner on the road. It's surprising how much technology has seeped into our lives, making things easier and more convenient. And when it comes to driving, it's no different. Adaptive transportation options have come a long way. We're not just talking about power steering or automatic transmissions here. We're referring to sophisticated systems that aid in parking, rear-view cameras for better visibility, and even devices that alert you if you happen to drift out of your lane. These advancements are not just for luxury or convenience, They're designed to enhance safety and make driving more accessible for everyone. But it doesn't stop there. Have you heard of cars with voice command features? These marvels allow you to control various functions of your vehicle just by using your voice. Imagine changing the radio station or adjusting the air conditioning without lifting a finger off the steering wheel. And how about self-driving cars? While they may seem like something out of a science fiction movie, they're not as far off as you might think. These vehicles could be a game changer for those with mobility challenges, providing unprecedented levels of independence and freedom. So whether you're a tech wizard or a bit of a technophobe, remember that technology is here to enhance our lives, to break down barriers, and to open up new possibilities. Technology is here to help us. Embrace it. Now, let's turn the key to confidence. Confidence behind the wheel comes from knowing you're prepared, capable, and safe. It's not just about the physical aspects of driving, but also the mental ones. To build your confidence, start with small trips and gradually increase the length and complexity of your journeys. Consider taking a defensive driving course. These programs are designed to teach you advanced driving techniques, helping you anticipate and respond to potential hazards on the road. They can be a great confidence booster and can even lower your insurance premiums. In addition to this, there are numerous driver rehabilitation programs available. These are tailored to address specific mobility challenges and can provide you with the tools and techniques you need to drive safely and confidently. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Reach out to professionals, join supportive communities, and utilize the resources available to you. With the right approach and mindset, you can drive with confidence and independence. And just like that, we've reached the end of our journey. We've traveled down the road of independence, exploring the importance of mobility for freedom. We've faced common mobility challenges head-on, learning about aids and assistive devices that can make our journey smoother. We've discovered tips for improving balance and stability, and exercises to increase our strength and flexibility. Along the way, we've embraced the power of technology, exploring adaptive transportation options that can make driving easier and safer. We've worked on creating a safe and accessible home environment and learned strategies to stay confident behind the wheel. We've also uncovered resources for driver rehabilitation and training programs, empowering us to improve our skills and navigate the road with ease. Every journey has its challenges, but remember, the road to independence is worth the ride. Equip yourself with the right tools, keep learning, and always stay safe and confident. Remember, the road to independence is paved with safety and confidence. Happy driving!